Okay, okay, let's do it. Okay. Can you easily put the glass upside down in the vessel, or you have to put some extra pressure? তোমাকে কি কোনো এক্সট্রা প্রেসার দিতে হচ্ছে নাকি তুমি খুব ইজিলি এটাকে আপসাইড ডাউন করতে পারছো? ইজিলি পারছো? ফিল করার চেষ্টা করো। We are going to empty in the vessel. Yeah. Empty. What can you see? Bubbles are passing from one glass to another glass, right? Yes. So, from this activity, what can you understand? Yes. What can you understand from this activity? Yeah, takes up space. That's very good. Exactly. Yeah, takes up space. Actually, these bubbles are here, right?
It is possible. Then I release it. Therefore, here is metal. Here also opposes against pressure. We are going to put
between these two glass, on which glass you have to put extra pressure? Empty glass or the glass with tissue?
The glass with tissue.
Because why?
Because
Here opposed against pressure, right? Is this tissue is dry? এই টিস্যুটা কি ড্রাই অবস্থায় আছে? Show me a tissue. বের করো, টিস্যুটা বের করো। Exactly, dry. The tissue is dry because air always opposed against pressure. Okay, everyone, let's do it one by one. Okay.